Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name's Jakara. And this is the next installment of the series that I'm doing where I am refreshing, repairing, and redecorating rooms in my house. This is my bathroom. and there's some quick things, quick repairs I need to make in this room. There are some decorating choices that I want to change. And yeah, and some cleaning, obviously. It's always good to clean the bathroom. So if you want to see how everything turns out, then stay tuned. So the first repair I need to do is the tiles on the floor. I put vinyl peel and stick tiles on the bathroom floor because if you had seen the bathroom floor before, you you would want to put vinyl peel stick tiles on it too. These have been down for, I would say, 5 years, probably, maybe even, yeah, probably 5 or 6 years. And they're starting to show their wear. And then there's one spot in particular where it looks like the tile has moved out of place, so it's like big gaps in between the tiles. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And yeah, it just looks really gross and grimy. So I'm gonna replace those tiles. I got some new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the old tiles with these just in certain spots. It may look a little strange because the old tiles have a patina to them and the new tiles don't. But eventually it'll all catch up. But anyway, I'll show you when I do that. I also have a cabinet where the door is falling off, and it's an old cabinet, but it still works, so I want to keep it, but I have to do something about this door that's falling off. And then lastly, we'll just clean and just start decorating. The first decorating item that I did was this curtain. I wanted some color in this room. It's so bland and white and just boring gray, white. And then I had a little bit of like this turquoise green color with the cabinet. But other than that, it was really kind of boring. So let's just get to work, stop talking. If you can see here, right in the middle of the floor, there's like big giant gaps in between the tiles that, to me, it really bothers me. Around the toilet, it's really gross and dirty, so we'll be cleaning around there too. But I had to caulk around the toilet, and then it just gets really dirty. But anyway, we're gonna mop this and, hand scrub this floor, get it looking good. But first I have to replace these tiles.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high.
Okay, that's what it's looking like so far. Yeah, you can tell the new tiles from the old tiles, but those big gaps are gone for the most part. So I'm pretty happy. So this is the cabinet that we keep our towels and paper towels and toilet paper and toiletries and stuff. But this cabinet, this door is just like barely hanging on. So I'm gonna have to fix that hinge. I thought about painting the top of it because there's like chips and stuff. But I don't know. We'll see if I feel like it later once I'm done, then I'll do it. But I'm not really pressed about it. All right. So I got the screws in there and it closes. I just have to clean the glass on the inside and outside. So, all right, so that's the repair portion of the video. Now it's time to clean. I have to clean this bathroom. And I'll try to get all the nooks and crannies that I can, starting with the shower. So let's get started.
I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again, and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
Okay, so the last portion of the decorating of the room is going to be removing these curtains because I think they're quite drab and ugly. They're gray, which, I mean, initially I thought that was a good idea because I have this gray cabinet here, but I would rather either not have curtains at all or have some color of some sort. So until I figure that out, I'm going to take these gray curtains down. Also, that gray photo over there, I don't really like it. I got it from IKEA. I think it's kind of generic and boring. I'm going to replace it with my kitty cat portrait that I did. And I think that would give it a little bit more color in that corner and something more interesting to look at. I think that looks a little bit better. Now, I might change these curtains out. They are a little heavy for the bathroom, but I like the color, especially next to this yellow and then the painting there. So I might change this out. For now, I'm going to leave it and see how I like it. But overall, it'll work. All right, so the last thing I need to do in here is I need to sweep the floor and mop. We'll see how clean I can get the floor. I was gonna like hand scrub, but my back is kind of hurting me right now. Well, hurting me a lot actually. So I think I'm gonna stick to just using the mop instead of scrubbing the floor. But normally, if I was gonna do a deep clean, that's what I would do is hand scrub the floor, the baseboards, everything. So I'm gonna give my back a break and just do it the regular way.
As friends, do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
All right, my lovelies, that is it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to have you back here for my next video. I think the next one in the series will be the kitchen. So if you want to see how that all turns out, then come on back and subscribe. I'm also going to be doing a members only video for the month of June in the next week. So look out for that. If you're inclined to join the membership, that would be great. If you just want to subscribe, that's great. If you just want to like it, that's great. I'll take whatever. Anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.